I was skeptical too. But starting with zero experience and $0 in profits, I managed to hit $10,000 in just 30 days. Here's exactly how I did it. The first step was identifying a profitable niche. I focused on a trending market, eco-friendly lifestyle products. I researched products with high demand and low competition. This gave me a list of products that had strong potential to sell. I used Shopify to create a professional-looking online store in just a few days. This made setting up the store easier than I expected. I created engaging product descriptions and optimized product pages to ensure a seamless checkout process. Since I didn't have a huge budget, I relied on low-cost marketing techniques, primarily using social media. I created Instagram and TikTok accounts for my store, posting engaging content on eco-friendly living. I collaborated with micro-influencers, offering them free products in exchange for shoutouts. Their followers became my first customers. After earning my first $500, I reinvested in Facebook ads, which brought in consistent traffic and sales. I faced challenges like shipping delays and product quality issues, but I managed them by being transparent and vetting suppliers. In the third week, a Facebook ad for a reusable water bottle went viral. I saw over 100 orders come in within 48 hours. By the end of the fourth week, I reached $10,000 in total sales. Here are my key lessons learned. Start small and focus on one niche and one product to minimize overwhelm. Reinvest your profits as you earn. Dropshipping requires effort, creativity, and persistence. But with the right strategies, anyone can succeed. Start small, stay focused, and don't be afraid to take risks. The rewards are worth it.